Good morning and warm welcome to you all. I am Vaibhav, your host for today. Our topic for today is Behavior Science Management. It shall be taken by Dr. Raina Khatri Tandon, followed by question and answer session. Our agenda for today is virtual inauguration by Dr. Sundar Kataria, invoking the blessing of deity, chanting of Gayatri Mantra, introduction of speaker, presentation by Ms. Raina Khatri Tandon, question and answer session, and last closing session. About Sadgun Sangh. Sadgun Sangh, conceived and led by Dr. Sundar Kataria, driven with the mission to elevate the quality, safety, and environmental awareness levels of industry. Sadgun Sangh is a series of educative, informative events aiming to illuminate professionals on possible solutions to current issues of industry and economy. About Dr. Sundar Kataria, sir, designation and organization, Chairman and Managing Director, International Certification Services Private Limited. His academic qualification, Doctorate in Business Management, Mechanical Engineer. His experience, Rajasthan Atomic Power Project, India's first nuclear power plant at Rawat Bata, Kota, built by Indian engineers. Worked as nuclear scientist for 11 years and successfully completed and commissioned the plant. Engineers India Limited, first batch of engineers to develop Bombay High offshore oil and gas fields, mega offshore complex platform, trunk and submarine pipelines, underwater inspection, oil and gas equipment, etc. Det Norsec Versatiles, world largest classification society, worked for 17 years at various capacity for the certification of fixed offshore installations, submarine pipelines, onshore projects, and personnel qualification. ICS. He is founder of India's first certification conformance assessment body established in the year 1999, provider of total quality solution. Certification of management system, ISO, inspection, testing, and training qualification of personnel. Achievements and awards. Received Lifetime Achievement Award for the contribution for corrosion technologies from NES International by NIGIS under NES USA. Social worker, protection of life, asset, environment, and safety. So now I request Kataria sir to please virtually inaugurate the session.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Please join us for the recitation of the Gayatri Mantra. Introduction of our today keynote speaker, Dr. Raina Khatri Tandon, Designation Organization, CEO, Right to Rights, first ISO accredited organization into women and child rights certification, trainings, compliance, and audits. Her academic qualification, PhD in AI embedded systems and chip design, diploma in human rights from IGNOU, human rights certification from edX Harvard, PhD in Human Psychology and Child Rights, Brazil University. Her area of specialization and experience, POSCO specialist and human rights expert from Harvard EDX, UN Rex Karmavir Awardee 2019, World Women Summit 2020, Global Ascender for Sustainable SDG 5, UN Goals for Gender Equality, Inclusiveness and UN Chartered Human Rights, Nari Shakti Awardee, President of LinkedIn Local Women India, President of Women Economic Forum for 7 years, Vyapar Jagat Business Resilient Leader for year 2023. Please welcome Raina ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this beautiful session. Thank you, Vaibhavji. Thank you, Sundar Kataria sir, and the whole team of ICS. It's wonderful if we can see some people on the screen. Nayam, Yogesh, Som, Akashi, Deepti, Aruna, Nirav. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sundar sir. Pooja, Irfan, Manasi, Yatish. Some of you come on camera, please, and Mr. iPhone as well. So it's nice when we have people in front of our face so we can always talk. Swapnil sir, Bhavesh sir, Irfan ji, Neerav, Mansi, Aruna, Yachika, Pranali, Rohini. Yes, great. Thank you, Nirmala ji. I saw one face. Thank you, Manasi ma'am. Okay, fantastic. So today's topic is very interesting. The team was wanting to do something on behavioral sciences. Okay, behavioral science management, all about understanding your client, your vendor, your partners, maybe certification providers, any of the market people, including your own setups. Because you're into trainings, you're into audits, you're into different services. It's always important that we understand the science behind the person we are interacting with. And behavioral science management is one of the most foundation elements where if we try to get to understand the market, the people, the employees, the leaders, we can avoid many situations that we come across. बहुत सारी जो situations होती है हमारी जिंदगी में, काफी चीजें तो communication based होती हैं, जो भी behaviors, thoughts, feelings people have for each other, उसकी वजह से होती हैं. Many a times we are not able to understand even the need of the client or the need of the provider, and we end up selling wrong things by which maybe an audit can happen wrong, maybe a process can happen wrong, maybe a methodology can happen wrong, or maybe the entire ecosystem as systems, processes, people may go wrong. So that's where we are here to understand the basic foundation, that is behavioral science foundation. Thank you so much. I'll be sharing the screen now. If you can see, let me know with thumbs up, or maybe just unmute and one of you say yes. Okay. Yeah. Nirmala ji, able to see? Vaibhav, Manasi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
It is
Yes,
visible.
ma'am. Yes, we
Okay.
can see.
Superb, superb. So behavioral science management is nothing but the understanding of what's happening in a person's mind and how is it affecting market, business, processes, and solutions. About 35 of us here today, and we need to understand that all 35 of us are different. You know, we come from different families, we come from different backgrounds, we come from different people. We also have different way in which we do business. So when we are interacting with the customer or we are interacting with the client person or the need, many a times we are only into the selling business. We just start with everything that we have, right? We tell them about, okay, we are this body, we are this practice, we have this solution, we have this selling product, we are into this area, but we fail to understand the major area from where we should be coming is first asking what the client wants. So the science will also tell you how you need to be empathetic, compassionate towards the other party, being an employee, being a mid-level, being a high-level, internal or external process. What we will learn today is a lot of learning agendas. I have just jotted them down as simple points for you so that we are not discussing too much in terms of maybe a deeper level. First is evolution. How did behavioral science management ever come into place? How did we know about it? So, what is behavioral science management and why should we learn about it? Second, there are some admin principles that are coming under behavioral science management, which come as different methodologies or processes that people have developed over a period of time, and people are following that framework. So you can follow a framework, if not create a new wheel. वो बोलते हैं ना, एक इंसान ने अगर आपको पहले ही बना के दिया हुआ है, एकदम आसान होता है कि आप उसको सराहो, उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करो अपने सिस्टम में. Why is it important? That we will see. How does it affect our business process? So if we are doing anything in terms of our business systems, whether it is sales, distribution, implementation, HR, marketing, or any other level, or even providing services like selling a product, doing an audit, doing a training, getting vendors on board, getting clients to be served, how is it affecting? How is this science going to affect? What are the different learnings? And not only structural. Sometimes we tell the system change this, change that, change that, change that. In the process, we forget that it is not about changing only the outward physical stuff or the structural stuff. Sometimes it is social, sometimes it is people, sometimes it is behavioral, sometimes it is what's happening inside the person's mind. Sometimes it's also background. Could be family background, it could be political background, social background, other parameters that's impacting the person. So if the person is getting impacted, he's not going to do business with you, right? वो आके आपके साथ बिजनेस तभी करेगा जब वो एकदम अलाइंड है आपके थॉट प्रोसेस पे कि उनको क्या बेचना है, right? So that evaluation you have to do. And like we say, we do it in quarter bits or we do it in steps. You know, I have broken them up for you so you can design, then you can direct your process, diagnose what is the problems that are coming in, like we do in audit processes, then implement and strategize. Because everybody's strategy and thought process will be very different to drive their team. There is a team, there are people, and you will also help them to understand where and what the process should change. Now, why learn this? When we are dealing with behavioral sciences, what we want to do is not work on superficial level. We don't want to do something on the top, right? We want to go deep. प्रमोद जी थोड़ा आप म्यूट पे रखेंगे प्लीज. आपकी आवाज की वजह से वो थोड़ा ट्रबल हो रहा है मुझे. कैन यू म्यूट प्रमोद जी प्लीज?
Yes, okay.
Thank you sir. So when we are learning about behaviors, we know that every person inside has various different behaviors, not as one personality, but as many personalities. If I have to ask you how many personalities you have, Nirmala ji, Sundar sir, Pramod sir, how many personalities do you think we have inside ourselves? Okay, let's play a little game. We don't know how many personalities we have, we can't do much also, right? So, आपको क्या लगता है कितने पर्सनालिटी होंगे हमारे?
No idea, ma'am.
गेस तो मारिए. 1 2 3 4 दन.
Two, ma'am.
Just give a number. Pramod
Two.
ji, Vaibhav, Manisha, Akash, Manasi. Yes, I can see Manasi ma'am. Manasi ma'am, कितने personalities हैं? Admin जी, आकाश जी, नयम जी, सोम जी.
Maybe 2 or 3.
2 or 3, okay. Ankur, Pooja. Come on guys, this is not like a one-way system. यहाँ पे कोई आपके लिए एक ही इंसान खाली बात करे वैसे नहीं है. अगर आप पार्टिसिपेट करोगे तो और मजा आएगा. मे बी विल गेट एन एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो फॉर यू विच इज नॉट प्लान बट वी कैन ब्रिंग इट इन.
Yeah, I can tell you. Can I?
Yes, please sir.
Yeah, we have number of personalities. It depends if you are in office, if you are boss, if you are in factory as a supervisor, if you are at home with your wife, if you are with children, especially like with the children, I become very free and I like to talk to them and enjoy their company. So there are number of personality depending upon the atmosphere environment where you are.
Correct. So whenever you are working with different kind of roles that we play, whether we are a father, mother, brother, sister, wife, businesswoman, businessman, entity person, you're holding a position, you're a leader, you're a any of these roles that Sundar Kataria sets today, sir has mentioned the different roles, and in these different roles, you will be different. Okay, when your mood is right, suppose you're in front of your boss, you become like one mouse, right? You're meager, you're soft, मतलब डरे हुए हो. जब आप अपने वाइफ के पास जाते हो तो क्या बन जाते हो? शेर बन जाते हो. भाई, आई एम द बॉस, यू लिसन टू मी. अब यही शेर गीदड़ बन जाता है when you really want work done from the wife, right? So in different context, in different content, in different propositions, you will be different. Your personality changes as per your background, as per your perception, as per the context of the situation. And you can also say that people change. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, गिरगिट अपने रंग बदलता है. गिरगिट खाली रंग नहीं बदलता है, हमारे अंदर भी बहुत सारी ट्रेट्स, हमारे अंदर भी बहुत सारी पर्सनालिटीज है. Why I'm telling you that is behavioral science is trying to understand the sales can happen at that point or at another point, but you reacting wrong at that point can be effective. Maybe the person is not in the right frame of mind to do business with you today, but he will still do business with you in future. But you reacting with him in a very funny way can close all the last miles of you doing business with him in future. So behavioral science is trying to understand and close those little last gaps. Deep context analysis of why that person is behaving. Is it a festive season? Maybe he's busy. Maybe he's unwell. Maybe he's death in the family. Maybe it's not the audit season. Maybe it is the training season. Maybe it's not the training season. Maybe it's certification season. There are also seasons for certain businesses to happen. And if you actually chalk out your plan, January to December, you will understand there is some months that you do more business, some months that you do less business. There are certain barriers we find in models. Maybe the people in the market are doing different things in different ways. What are those barriers? What are those enablers? Why are they doing more? Why are they doing less? If there is a process, कुछ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज में मैंने ऐसे देखा है कि रिक्रूटमेंट, टैलेंट एक्विजिशन, कोई भी काम अगर हम लोग एक मोनोटोनस ढंग से कर रहे हैं बहुत सालों से, वही चीज हम वैसे ही करते हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज एक सिस्टम बना हुआ है. लेकिन कुछ चीजें को हम लोग फास्टन करने के लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि एक पेपर दूसरे डेस्क पे जाए, दूसरा पेपर तीसरे डेस्क पे जाए, तीसरा पेपर चौथे डेस्क पे जाए और फिर साइन मार के आपको फाइनली प्रोसेस में जाए. Sometimes you don't need to have those so many desks because it can one fasten your process. To earlier the systems where we did not have technology, we did not have AI, we did not have laptops, we did not have processes. So they have traditionally started. Like railways always used to generate tickets, but now you can get it online. If they continue to do the same desk process from desk to desk, it's going to only aggravate your processes and slow down the process. So you have to look into your processes where you are utilizing more time, and time consuming processes can lead to less productivity and at the end less outcomes. So process also has to be redefined. Behavioral science also understands the different interventions. How many different things you are doing, how many different interventions that you're doing, and how appropriately do you have people for that. If I, for one process, for one work, I have 3 people, then I'm not utilizing it. But if one person can do all those 3 things, then I'm utilizing the talent well, right? Will I not want to get or pay one person for doing 3 things? Or I'll keep 3 people and make them do like, only one thing. एक ही रिक्रूटमेंट करने के लिए मेरे पास 3 लोग हैं, लेकिन वो 3 लोग कितना एफर्ट देते हैं, that is important. So test before what you are doing and scale up according to you. So scaling up, process evaluation, getting the outcome set, all these efficiencies of every project and the effectiveness at the workplace will happen if you learn how to go ahead with behavioral sciences. The evolution of behavioral science management theory said, identify and explain what developments have happened through history, describe and compare the scientific management tools and the different theories that have come from day one. So we look at some of the theories that have been implemented. What role does contingency play? What if you have changes, if you have things which are changing on period of time? How can you use it more efficiently so that the the time has not been hampered and you still are doing the best in the best of capabilities, time, and management is working through. What are the different external environments? Sometimes you have everything set, process set, people set, system set, everything is correct. But suddenly there is a volcano, suddenly there is rain, suddenly there is COVID, suddenly there is something demonetization, suddenly there is some maybe a manufacturing, you know, some mishap that's happening in the manufacturing industries. So these things will keep happening. How will you stride through it? That also the management theory says. What are the features? See, when you have some trouble and when you don't understand behavior of people, you can either get a reward or a punishment in certain situations. Certain people don't face it. They run away from the situation. Matlab, it is fight or flight. If you fight, then you're learning, adopting, changing. So AI came, you learned, you adopted, you took technology, and today you have even vaults, AI vaults, AI budgets, AI robots, and they can also ease your job. Either you're learning through the association or you're running away. You avert everything and you run away from that situation saying, hey, I can't learn this. This is something trouble. This is very difficult. This is something I'm scared of and everything. So behavioral psychology will make you understand the person who's sitting in front of you, which kind of person he is. How does he deal with the situation? Third, management evolution theory says that we have three things which will have influences. There will be social influences, values, needs, standards, family versus work. So many people you have seen, no? You will tell them, नहीं नहीं आप ऐसे करोगे तो आपका काम जल्दी होगा, इससे आप ज्यादा पैसे कमाओगे, इससे आपका लिविंग बेटर हो जाएगा. नहीं नहीं मेरे को यही ठीक है, मुझे रिस्क नहीं लेना है. Some people will say, I don't want to risk. Why? Because they are affected by family, people, society, what they say. मेहनत पैसे कमाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. पैसे कमाना मतलब हार्ड वर्किंग से ही होता है. ऐसे बहुत लोग ने बोला है ना, हमारे माँ बाप भी बोलते थे कि अर्निंग मनी इज नॉट अ क्विक थिंग. अर्निंग मनी इज नॉट लाइक बच्चों का खेल नहीं है, आपको मेहनत करने से ही मिलता है. लेकिन आज लोग स्मार्ट वेज, efficient ways, standards have changed because they know how to do the process in better ways. Second is political forces. Any kind of legal institutions, licenses, bodies, organizations, government systems, any new laws, new products, new ways of organizational safety, जो भी चीजें गवर्नमेंट से आती है और कैपिटलिज्म से आती है, that will also affect our business. Economic forces, something that's not in our hands. Sometimes the production will be affected or hampered, distribution of sources. Labor might, run away, replacing labor by technology. Machines are, are failing. All those things also affect our management theory, and in depth of which even our behavior changes. Oh my God, these things always happen in this company. We are also blaming the system when we are of a certain kind of behavior. More than that, what affects things now is stereotype, bias, judgment, and perspectives. किसी ने किसी के लिए कुछ बोला, आपने उसकी बात सुनी और उस पर्सपेक्टिव में आप आ गए. Whether it is true or not, you did not check, but you believe in that person. Judgment. You always judge the people the first time you see them. If you like that person, you do business with him. If you don't like that person, forever you will not do business. Every time you start judging that person. Because we are a combination of our experiences, what we have seen in life, हमारे साथ क्या क्या situations गुजरी हैं. Maybe a North Indian is a very good person, but South Indian is not a good person for us because we've had bad experiences. So all those things create the bias in our mind that we like this person, we don't like this person, we need to work with this person, we don't like to work with this person is like this person is like that. And sometimes stereotypes. The situations around us make us to forced to think कि certain kind of people are working in certain way. Those are not right necessarily, but we always stereotype कि ऐसा ही होगा. So in that, I will just say, if you are a person of good behavioral sciences and you are a great management person, relevance of data, relevance of facts, what is the idea versus the data. Also, second, some of the people don't look at numbers. Some of the people don't only base on data. They also go, ki no, I have seen this person working systematically. He is working well. He is working meticulously. Every day he comes in the morning at same time, goes at the same time, does his things very structurally, goes into research. So sometimes people look at behavior more than the data. Your psychology, your mindset should win hearts to creating better organizations, and that is what behavioral sciences is going to teach you. To minimize the exclusion. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, we should be including the people LGBTQ जो मतलब well developed नहीं है लोग, people who are not very educated, people who are not very well to do, people who are not very maybe from your culture, still we should include them. They are a part of our society. Their uh, knowledge and expertise should define them. So we should create this equity situations and right decisions based on the behavioral sciences or the behavior that we get from people. What does behavioral sciences depend on? Behavioral sciences is in turn depending on a lot of things. So you must know what are the motivational states. What does every person feel good about? How does this person feel motivated? कुछ कुछ लोग खाने से मोटिवेट हो जाते हैं, कुछ कुछ लोग प्रमोशन से मोटिवेट हो जाते हैं, कुछ कुछ लोग अच्छा काम से मोटिवेट हो जाते हैं, कुछ कुछ लोग सुबह आते तो मोटिवेटेड ही होते हैं. Sometimes their children are motivation, sometimes their relationships are motivation, sometimes doing research, development, depth in work. All these things will affect the behavioral science management of the individual, in term the team, in term the level help in creating a social environment and a good decision making. So a good organization is always weighed with the behavioral science management index, which should be very high in terms of all these perspectives. In 1800 till now, what is the difference is earlier they used to look at more data, more rationally, more scientific approach. Now they are mostly looking at the behavior of people, how it is impacting versus the outcome that it's come. If I have a person who's very positive, not looking at the numbers that maybe he has not done a lot of work in the organization, he has zero experience or maybe 1 year experience, he's somebody who's switched. Suppose I have a person who's 1 year experience in some sector. In that 1 year, he has switched 3 jobs, and there is no enough testimonials, nor do I have enough experience. Still, will I keep that person? A lot of people will not keep. But over him, if I have a person who's worked like 5 years, he's also got a testimonial, but I don't find him still fit according to the role and the expertise. Will I prefer him more? Yes, maybe, because he has more experience. Now, what I'm trying to tell you, not always the numbers will matter. It also feels that if you can give them a behavioral assessment test, you can also give them a problem and tell them, okay, solve this problem. And at the end of the problem, we'll see in 3 months, how do you do? Then we will give you. So that's called a probation period. If you are going to excel in the probation period, then we will put you in your level of job. So there I'm able to understand efficiently how this person is going to sort the problem. How is he going to deal with the people? Is he a team building person? Is he somebody who's able to cope with strategies? Is he able to build organizations? So behavioral science will talk about a lot in the person's growth. And then I can decide whether I want to go ahead and work with this person. One important theory which people used to follow is scientific management theory.
Hello, requesting all to please be there. There is some technical problem at ma'am's side, so she will join within 2 minutes.
Okay, sorry for that. I think I got disconnected, didn't realize. Just tapped on the wrong window, I think. Okay, so we were talking about Frederick Taylor. In old industries when we used to work, what they used to feel कि हम लोग standard of living low के लोग ले लेते हैं, laborers ले लेते हैं, and we can standardize a procedure. If you tell somebody how to make a roti or how to make an appam, if you use somebody who doesn't know the job role and define a process, role, distribution, procedures, and tell them that they have to do this, they will do it. Right? So they used to use wage incentive plans, focus on the efficiency. एक दिन में वो कितने पपड़म बना रही, एक दिन में वो कितनी रोटियां बना रही, एक दिन में वो कितना दाल सो रहे हैं, एक दिन में कितना प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, एक दिन में कितने कॉल्स कर रहे हैं, कॉल सेंटर जॉब्स, एक दिन में कितना कन्वर्जन हो रहा है. नाउ it's not about high profile, high profits, only that. It's also about what kind of person you're bringing in. So here, scientific management focused only on efficiency, incentive plans, what is the amount of conversion that's coming in, what are the workers paid based on the profits that the company is making. Even today, many companies are working in the same way. Frank and Lillian Gilbert said that in this condition, when you are having lighting, heating, tools, machinery, he studied that there was more fatigue. People were getting more tired. People were getting more, they were very exhausted. If the situations are not very highly profiled, then time and motion studies said that workers don't stick around then unless until people are being taken again. Broke up each job into little components. Now, instead of telling everybody to do the whole job, they broke it in more easier sort over task and adapted it over a period of time. But they understood the science behind the person that, in under these conditions, heavy conditions, we also need to take care of the person. Doing smaller job roles, instead of doing sieving, cooking, making, and rolling, they would probably say only you do rolling, only you do sieving, only you do for a food production industry, I'm saying, and organize only a job-oriented task to be efficient. So we need to cultivate, adapt now changing habits to understanding people management or behavioral science management. Where it comes to understanding what do you hear, you have to understand their thought process, avoid bureaucracy, and designate efficiency and effectiveness in the organization. So some principles that were used were managers' authority from the position. People, why are they given that position? Because they're good at it. Clearly specify the hierarchy. Who is reporting to who, because of what position, what is the performance that's coming out, what is the authority that when we clearly defined, and the rules and operating procedures. So we very clearly say that every system has to be defined by an operating procedure, and that also needs to be audited over a period of time over efficiency. Okay. Behavioral science segmentation also says that every occasion will be very different. Okay, it can be divided into 4: occasion-oriented, loyalty-oriented, benefit-oriented, and the fourth one that you can see is usage-oriented. How are people segregated? People are segregated based on 4 aspects, and it always works on thoughts, feelings, emotions, sensation. The cognitive behavior therapy helps you to understand how people will work in a setup. Okay, apart from that, behavioral science management also says we have our own internal bias. Okay, I can be somebody who doesn't like Rohini ji or Nayam ji or Manisha or Akash because I have a bias. This person is too smart. This person is too dull. This person is not as much as I want. Maybe he is also thinking this me. Maybe he is never available. Maybe he always comes late. Maybe their presentation is not up to the mark. Maybe he's very good. Maybe he's too good. I should not be working. So we make the choices that we want to make. And we create these kind of situations because it's the decision making is always in the person's hand to understand whether he wants to work or not. You as a leader should create behavioral science methodology in your system so that you can create an architecture that who is leading who in this management. What are the tools that you can address? Every time look for the gaps. When you are doing different processes, different projects, then you have to invest in what are the biases. Is it unconscious? Is it conscious? Do you know about them? Do you not do? Do sessions where people are aware what are their biases. Cognitive biases, unconscious biases, self biases, overconfidence biases, gender biases. I may not be able to take decisions, or if somebody who's a lady comes and gives you a lot of decisions to be made, you're not comfortable to take orders from a lady, right? A lot of people have that gender bias, age bias. If I am very old, I cannot take this, you know, um, some kind of orders from a young person. So we can have our own framing biases, we can have our own age biases, which we have to overcome. Because at the end of the day, it's all about efficiency. It's all about outcome. So what can our behavior be effective on? Core beliefs, what we have developed by birth, experiences, what we have overcome over a period of time till 30, 40, 50 years that you are today. What are you as a person? What do you want to become in future? And how is it affected based on the emotion? Vaibhav, can you please give me a thumbs up? Admin, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see what is there on your screen. The behaviors, thoughts, feelings. If you look at it internally, your behavior and your actions are affected by your feeling, and your feeling will be affected by the thoughts. When we are looking deeper into the competency mapping, we say in a system, in a company, in a setup, whether you are in manufacturing, pharma, IT, gold, coal, steel, any of the industries, including education industry, a person's mind develops based on whatever you have a thought in your feeling. So your behavior will be a combination of the thoughts that are running in your mind towards the feelings that you exhibit and emote. Now you cannot see anybody's feelings. All you can control is a behavior. And the behavior will be controlled based on past, future, and what you are thinking about the person now. So that can be clear only when you have a open communication. I don't know what's running in Yogesh sir's mind or Vaibhav sir's mind till I don't go to them and ask them, what is that you feel about this process? Do you think this process will work? Do you think this framework is good? Do you audit people and process and systems? Do you see something wrong in a people's way of working? Do you think something can be changed? So a thought can be changed by an open conversation. This intentionally will create a very good feeling for you. And this good feeling is going to change your behavior. Sometimes you see, अरे यार ये तो आदमी ना ऐसा ही था, लेकिन आज इसका बिहेवियर बहुत ही अलग है, क्योंकि वो हैबिचुअली आपने उस थॉट को एक अच्छा एक रूप दिया है, जिसकी वजह से उसकी बिलीव्स चेंज होके उसकी फीलिंग्स गुड हुई, एंड उसकी फीलिंग्स ही फिर उसके बिहेवियर्स को एक्ट करती है. And we are not different when we are in our personal or professional spaces. Whatever happens in our houses or whatever happens in our society, that will 100% retrospect in your work also. जो भी आपके काम पे टेंशन होगा ना, वो भी आप घर आके रिवर्ट करोगे. So it is all a chain. It is not that your behavioral science is not going to affect your work, it will affect. So sometimes people, when they are doing audited, when they are doing system processes, when they are creating new systems, when they are setting up industries, they always come and say, अच्छा टॉयलेट नहीं है इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, लेडीज और जेंट्स का जगह अलग नहीं बना इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, कैमराज नहीं बने हैं इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, यहाँ पे छत नहीं है इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, रिफ्रैक्टरी में बहुत गर्म हो रहा है पंखा डालेंगे तो चेंजेस होंगे. Sometimes structural changes don't matter. Sometimes conversations and talking with the people, talking with the team also tells them that, we are going to work this in a systematic 18 months project. In the first 3 months, we're going to do this. In the next 6 months, we're going to do this. In this next 1 year, we're going to do this, and talk with them. Diagnose, direct, design. I always say do the 3 Ds. First, diagnose what's the problem. Directly talk and communicate, have an open conversation, do the awareness, the 3 A's, awareness, acceptance, acknowledgement, to people, to processes, to systems, review all the time, then redesign and diagnose. Food changes, lifestyle changes, sleep changes, these are smaller things which are not structural. The DDD will help you understand that sometimes the right food, the right lifestyle, the right sleep is also going to affect the behavioral science of a person, in turn, the management, in turn, the structure of the system. So, processes, reducing burdens, making user-friendly policies. Policy बनाना बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण होता है. You just can't copy paste whistleblower, code of conduct, anti safety policies, organizational safety, fire safety, water safety, any kind of structural safety. Sexual abuse ways, pick up new processes, become of tea. Maybe if it is not yours, then you should get somebody who knows it and still incorporate in your system. Poor governance. The leaders are poor, no structures, no systems, no understanding of behaviors, no conversations. Okay, so how can you get this better is when you take care of the cognition. You take care of the, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm going to go to that screen because I lost the screen. We are on the diagonal screen. We have just hold on for 1 minute. Okay, so what you need to do is importantly in behavioral sciences, understand the cognition. Partner with people, partner with processes, partner with systems to develop the best approach. Okay, when you partner and talk with people, maybe you create 1 for 2 or 2 for 3, or you create smaller, ecosystems which are supporting each other. They understand the behaviors of people much better. Not always the leader needs to take care of everybody in the company. If you have a 1 lakh or 5 lakh people in your company, you can't take care of everybody there. The science behind everybody's head, the behavior that everybody exhibits. You have to develop an ecosystem. So partnering with smaller entities, smaller units, unions, people who are developed as teams, you have to partner with them and develop the cognition of awareness. Second, policy approach. A proper policy approach which takes care of the behaviors of people, context specific, very content specific, understanding what are the capacity constraints, skill developments that need to be happening, competency mapping. All this will surely help you if you understand the behavioral science management behind. Second, emphasize on human behavior, dealing with needs, attributes, wants, attitudes of people in the setup. Truly effectively control the individual worker rather than the authoritarian control. You always can't be a boss. You have to be a friend. You have to be a co-associate. You have to be a person who's in inclusion. We use the word diversity, inclusion in boards. We use the word diversity, inclusion, equity in the place of work. Everybody is equal. Everybody understands the work equally. Everybody supports each other when things are not happening. So equitable, diverse, we are different people coming from different. There can be major discrepancies, there can be minor discrepancies, there can be behavioral changes to a very big extent. But the primary role is become an analyst, become a person who's chalking on facts, establish the mindset of the person, and that's important. Now, what are the ways? There's no one way to do it. The best way is to organize things. At least start with the understanding that I want to work in this area to make my system better. Situations are very unique. There's no one fit for all. A for apple ही है, B for ball ही है, वैसे नहीं होता है. Universally कोई principle नहीं है. But every company makes their own systems. If you want anybody to come and make your system, then you have to get the specialist to come and help you in behavioral systems and science management. Managers define their own key contingencies based what will work, what will not work, what drops out, what are the other factors that affect. So to make a good fit, good governance, behavioral science management is important. Okay. A good design starts from you can use companies' Hawthorne studies as well. That's also one of the very good theories of management. And 3 major components that you should remember. Primary components are to utilize a good behavioral mindset. You must have the understanding, the intervention development, the skill development, the measurement tools without assessing at every time. We say, even in an audit process, we do internal audit, external audit. If internal audit is not done, the external audit will not be perfect. He will always go back and tell you that every place, every system, every area has to be done properly. So measurement and assessment form a very important key, and then the interpersonal skills. How are people working with each other based on the personality traits, based on the interpersonal skills, based on the major components? So 4 primary components that you should work on. Study of human bias and heuristics. We do a lot on unconscious bias, microaggression. Why do people get irritated with each other? Why do people react very violently to each other? Why is that people don't understand each other? Why are they not able to work non-violent communication with each other? So everything is a core to that. Second is choice of architecture. What is the architecture that is developed? Who are the people? Who nudges who? Which individual is affected and influenced more by another person? Third is habit. Habit formation is very important today. Habit coaches are people who help you to nurture, to work on that habit. You may say, I don't have that habit. मुझे listening skill नहीं है, but you have to work on the listening skill habit. Then only you will be able to understand the client and provide the needs. And the final piece is social norms. External factors which influence you, and you are getting affected time and again in the individual decision. For example, somebody who's coming from the top level, somebody is coming from the government level, somebody is coming political level, maybe somebody in the board में ही किसी के associated friend legal में है और उनको आपने ले लिया है अपने decision making में. Independent directors, external directors, any of these external factors that come and affect you, including climatic changes, social norms, ESG, sustainability, these also form your social norms. Okay, they also come in the external factors. So if you're getting affected by this, then you have to look at what are the solutions that you don't get affected on that. That also will depend only when you are clear that who are the people in your ecosystem who are taking care of those factors. Finally, if you don't want to get affected in today's world, in today's latest trend, coordination with family and work. You cannot do it alone. You are not a super boss. You are not a superwoman or superman or a robotic person. If you're not coordinating what you do with your family, seeking help, telling them, I have a very important project, I might be late. You need to understand, you need to support here. Not much of expectation. Same way with the team. We need to convert this project. We need to go to the exhibitions. We need to show our best products, get a sale from there, close the deals, do our certification audits properly, close with so many targets, help family work in coordination. Social forces, people from outside, like I said, if you have people who are affecting you of certain factors like climate or sustainability or area or distribution of soil or governments or any of the entities, multi-generations. So increased longevity of workers is that work with father, grandfather, son, uske bete, and continue nurturing with legendary people in your company, because multi-generations will give you longevity of work. They'll work hard with you. They know the trust and the integrity and other things will build up over time. Honesty is there with you. Cultural diversity. If you have your setup only in Maharashtra, you can't always have only Maharashtrians. You have to have people from south, people from north, from east, west, center, every part, including people who are disabled, people who are blind, people who are deaf, people who are LGBTQ, anybody who can bring in more talent to the floor and add value to your organization. And lastly, characters that are affected by behavioral science management is social responsibility people also. People are very passionate about that subject. People who love that subject. People who can do anything to deliver that subject. Those kind of people are people you should have in your setup because they will do anything for you. Okay, they will come over and say, yes, let me know how I can help you because uh, I'm not going to get affected by a social workplace, or I'm not going to be affected by what's happening in the society, or a demonetization, or a change of climate, or maybe a volcano, or maybe a fire, or maybe of any of the other things that affect us. Because I'm more passionate about doing that work. It's my responsibility. It's my company. I want its growth. I want it to grow international. I want it to be amazingly, um, one of the best places to work. So think of those people because those people will be assets for you. They will help you scale high. Even if they are low in behavioral science, you have to help them nurture their habits so that they can be great success people and success stories from your setup. So this is all from me. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, 2 lines of feedback, 2 lines of good words, anything that you would like to know more, we are at 11:58. And if there's anything that you'd like to ask, I will be happy to share, happy to answer, happy to take your queries. Thank you very much. This is from Dr. Anna Kharti Tandon. I hope I could add value by giving you little insights on behavioral science management. And thank you, Vaibhavji, once more for nudging me, for nurturing me, for uh, always bringing me to this beautiful, humble platform of ICS and Sadhguru Satsang, because I always like to add value to people's life, and this is one platform that is always there welcoming me. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you
Sundar
so
sir.
much.
Thank you, entire team. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I request all the participants, if you have any question, you can unmute yourself and ask directly to the ma'am, or you can put your questions in the chat box. Ma'am, there is a question in the chat box from Sana Khan.
Yeah. How can technologies help in improving our behavior? Good question, Sana. So technologies are there to tell you what to do, but technology cannot influence you. I'll tell you 2, 3 things that have helped me. Suppose I go on to a YouTube video and I watch maybe a Simon Sinek, or I watch Tony Robbins, or I watch any of the other leaders of who are done great uh, work in certifications, or people who are doing great auditing, or interviews of people who have done great work. I will get inspired, right? It will change my mindset about how I'm thinking if I'm a monotonous 9 to 5 person. रोज सुबह उठो, रोज ट्रेन पकड़ो, वही खाना खाओ, वही उठो, वही जागो, वही काम करो, और वही सो जाओ. So it's a very boring life, right? But sometimes you going and hearing a podcast, hearing a YouTube video, talking about people, attending conferences, attending sessions like this, attending workshops. We are connected to technology. I don't know in which city you are, in which place you are, but we are connected to technology. So whether it's a laptop, whether it's a Zoom, whether it's a social media, whether it's a live, whether it's on LinkedIn, whether it's on any other platforms, whether it's on any social built platforms which we have today, and on apps, using AI. AI has made our life so much better. If you go on your phone and you have Meta AI, many a times I don't understand what is the answer to certain questions, or I want certain uh, session outcomes, session learning, session takeaways, session questions, interview questions, a lot of things that you want to ask. It will give you some background. What is that and what is not? Because when you Google out things, you might get a lot of things which is not relevant. But Meta AI, Gemini, AI tools, they have made our life much more easier. In times of COVID, in times of pain, agony, people getting blood, people getting water, people getting oxygen, that's improved. If you don't get oxygen to live, if you don't get water to live, you don't get blood for a person who's a loved one, you still are using technology to reach out to people. And I'm sure that if you get that, your behavior towards life is much more different. Now, understanding behavioral science management, how is it going to affect? Science is very complex and very simple. जो हमारे माइंड में होता है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स, एक्शंस होते हैं, each of us know that they get affected as a loop. When we do something on using technology, भले वो फोन में आप 15 घंटे बैठ के खेलो, you will get tired. When you're tired, when you're sleepless, you're not going to get good outcomes because your end product will be lesser. Your productivity will be lesser. So my sleep, my behaviors, everything get affected, and that will affect my character, the way I respond, the way I also work. So technologies are inbuilt. We can't run away from technology today, and that is going to affect who we are as a person. Work on our habits. If I'm on my laptop and my phone all the time, I'm not going to go for a walk. I'm not going to go for a walk. I'm not going to become fitter. If I'm not going to be fitter, I'm not going to be calm. And I'm avoiding sleep. So yes, it will affect my behavior. Okay, everything is connected with technology. Everything is connected with who you are. Everything is connected with work. Nothing is single-handed. People say work is work, play is play. But always work and play go together. Only then you become a more smarter person. The only thing I can tell you is our science will work high if we are able to balance life better. Even closing orders, creating sales, getting orders, doing certification programs, even auditing for that chance. If you're not a very complacent person, if you're not a very calm person, आपको non-conformities, ऑडिट प्रोसेस, वो सब चीजें आप इफेक्टिवली नहीं कर पाते. ऑडिटर तो आप अच्छे बन जाओगे, लेकिन ऑडिटिंग, सर्टिफिकेशन, ट्रेनिंग, लाइसेंसेस आप मैक्सिमम गुड क्वालिटी तभी कर पाओगे जब आपकी सिस्टम, आपकी बिहेवियर्स कंट्रोल में हो. सो एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड विद टेक्नोलॉजी, एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इज व्हाट विल बिल्ड यू एज अ पर्सन, एज अ गुड बिहेवियर पर्सन, एज अ गुड माइंडसेट पर्सन. जैसे बायसेस मैंने बोला, बायसेस के लिए भी, अनकॉन्शियस बायस, इम्प्लिसिट बायस के लिए भी आज असेसमेंट्स है. यूजिंग एन असेसमेंट, यूजिंग अ सर्वे, आई कैन टेल यू what kind of personality you are and where you should be working to become a better person. So assessments, surveys, tools today are going to give you a lot of insights about who you are. आप अपने बारे में कैसे जान सकते हो जब तक आप किसी को पूछोगे. So for example, today I ask you, can you type one word in the chat? How did you like the session? I don't know how the session went. I don't know how much you understood. I don't know whether you understood or not understood. But if you give me a feedback through this technology device, through this Zoom material, I will feel that I have done my job to 10%, 20%, 30%. What can I improve? So I'd like you to request you, if you please give me this one line, one word of what you liked about the session and what are your takeaways. What one thing that you feel that you learned from the session, and if it's good, if it's interesting, if it's informative, it was very, the methodologies were good, maybe the content was good, maybe very well structured, maybe the speech was good, maybe you understood well, anything. Technology is here to stay and our behaviors will be affected by technology. Okay, so that's in for me. I hope I answered you, Sana, and maybe you got the answers to what I said. Thank you. So I request all of you, Nirmala ji, Yogesh ji, everybody in the, come on guys, at least we have 50 of us today. 50 answers on the chat. How did you like the session? Can we do that? सुंदर जी के लिए कर लीजिए, मेरे लिए मत कीजिए, सुंदर जी के लिए तो कीजिए.
I'll start. Overall, the presentation was very good. Your explanation was excellent, and everyone could understand. Only I have two questions which are related to we Indians. If you see,
Yeah, tell me, Niso.
we are very intellectual, and everybody
Yes.
is visual. When it
Yes.
comes to teamwork, working in office or working anywhere, or in the meeting, we always work as an individual, not as a team.
Correct.
Why this behavior is there that we don't want to work, and we are that way we always have shortcuts and not following the system.
Good question. Very, very, very good question. Very good question, Kataria sir.
Thank you.
I always think the same thing. Now I'll tell you 2-3 things about, I don't know about everybody in the world, but I'm generalizing this. When we work as an individual, we have the space and the bandwidth to do multi things or multiple things if we are a fast person or a slow person. We are a very slow person and suppose me and you are working as a team. अगर आप स्लो कर रहे हैं हम फास्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम एक दूसरे को कोरिलेट नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो काफी लोग में ये जगल हो जाती है कि अगर वो सही इंसान को अपने टीम में नहीं रखते हैं, द कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ द पर्सन विद द अदर पर्सन बिकम्स वेरी लेस. सेकेंड इज कम्युनिकेशन किस तरीके से हो रहा है और कितने इंटरवल्स में हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं अपने टीम के साथ हर रोज कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहा हूँ वही टाइम पे, वही पेस पे, वही 4 पॉइंटर्स पे. और वन डे आई एम डूइंग 5 पॉइंटर्स, वन डे आई एम डूइंग 2 पॉइंटर्स, वन डे आई एम डूइंग 3 पॉइंटर्स, वन डे आई एम नॉट डूइंग अ मीटिंग, वन डे आई एम डूइंग द मीटिंग. सेम टाइम पे, सेम प्लेस पे, सेम. अगर मैं 4 पॉइंटर्स ही हर डे अगर मीटिंग करूंगा और 4 पॉइंटर्स ही एड्रेस करूंगा, उसमें से 2 सही हो 2 गलत हो, तो आई नो वेरी वेल आई एम ऑल्सो यूजिंग अ सैंडविच टेक्निक. कुछ भी गलत बताने से पहले हम लोग पहले अच्छा बताते हैं, फिर गलत बताते हैं, फिर गलत बताते हैं, फिर अच्छा बताते हैं, एंड इट्स अ सैंडविच टेक्निक. Feedback also is something like
I think she's disconnected.
Sir, ma'am is
Yeah,
disconnected, so we'll wait for.
yeah. I'll
thing with a Rena ma'am may not be good with you.
yeah.
So I have to see my traits and the other person's trait, and they both have to correlate. Sometimes we say like minds stick around.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself. Raina ma'am.
Sometimes we say like minds stick around. Sometimes we say unlike minds stick around. Like we say like minds, like poles attract, unlike poles repel. But I have also seen like me and my husband are very different to each other, but still we have good coordination. So it also depends that what works for you, what doesn't work for you. For me, always, unlike poles attract. So people who are very different to me, but they have so much knowledge than me, I always work with them very cordially. But when you have somebody who's not very, who's same like you, same level, same expertise, same knowledge, और आपसे ऊपर नहीं है, तो हमारे साथ उनका उठना बैठना हो ही नहीं सकता. आपको देखना है कि आपको किस किस्म के लोगों के साथ बैठना है, उठना है, किस किस्म के साथ आपका तालमेल बढ़ता है. व्हाट आर द काइंड ऑफ पीपल हु जेल अलोंग विद यू, एंड दैट इज एन एक्सप्लोरेशन इन बिजनेस. Okay, who are the people who you can work around with, not work around with, which is again not one fit for all, because हर एक इंसान के साथ हम लोग सिमिलर नहीं हो सकते. सो इंडिविजुअली लोग क्यों काम करते हैं? क्योंकि एक स्पेस मिल जाता है कि भाई मुझे किसी के साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. But individually, you cannot become a big organization. You have to have a team to become big. You have to have people who always stand by you. You have to always have people who are sticking around with you. And in the verge of it, you also learn how to deal with people. लोगों को लेके चलना ही एक कला है. And आप मानो या ना मानो, आज आप इंडिविजुअल होंगे लेकिन आगे आपको बहुत सारे लोग चाहिए, तभी आप हर किसी कोने में आपका नाम होगा. So that is one thing that we have to develop. Indians, very less of us work with teams because ideally we have not developed still the ecosystem of building workplaces, building culture, understanding behavioral science management. And it is not the need of only the leader to have more people, it's also the people to understand that till you don't learn the system processes, you cannot become big. We have to follow systems. जो सिस्टम बना है वो सिस्टम फॉलो ही करना है. यही हमें ट्रेनिंग कल्चर भी सिखाता है, कंपनी कल्चर भी सिखाता है, ऑडिट प्रोसेस भी सिखाता है. ऑडिट भी अगर आप सही ढंग से नहीं करोगे, सूनर और लेटर लोग आपको नहीं दूसरे को बुलाएंगे जो ऑडिट प्रोसेस फॉलो करता है. क्योंकि कंपनीज, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, फार्मा, आईटी, सबको एक स्ट्रक्चर, एक मेथोडोलॉजी, एक सिस्टम पसंद आता है. तो आप आज सुंदर कटारिया सर को पसंद करो या नहीं करो, लेकिन उन्होंने जो सिस्टम बनाया है वो सिस्टम सही तरीके से फॉलो करना एक सिस्टम अच्छा है, एंड इन वेरी गुड फॉर्म. You have to do it.
Thank you. I think
Madam,
Dr.
sir,
Sudesh Sharma is there.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
He
बोलिए
can
सुदेश
to
जी.
Ma'am,
Please.
put some words.
I know Dr. Kataria's way of working and what challenges he faces in running the whole thing as a family unit. And as you rightly said, in India we don't work in teams. We are very
Yeah.
bad team players. And I too had about 250 people in the DA setup, and Kataria sir met a lot of them, and he could also make out the team players. हम लोग बहुत अच्छे नहीं होते हैं इंडिया में, for whatever reason. Individually people may deliver, but as teams we are better. Tell me, what's your experience? Two types of people are very difficult to tackle, and Kataria sir also might agree, he may not agree. One type is people who are competent but not committed to the organization.
Sir,
Right? I am very
unfortunately,
competent, very
systems are
competent,
not being told.
but
Even
not
in schools
committed.
and colleges today, there are kids who get up and say, why should we follow the rules? But there are very few kids who will say rules are important for us to become the foundation of life. And I always say, आपके माँ बाप, आपकी फैमिली, आपकी इकोसिस्टम, आपके पीपल और आपके टीचर्स आपको बनाते हैं
मैडम
या
नहीं
बिगाड़ते
बनाया,
हैं.
मैडम नहीं बनाया. नाउ आपने इतना सब बोला, वी एग्रीड विद एवरीथिंग. नाउ द रियल चैलेंज इज, वो सब जानने के बाद भी, यू
हाँ,
नॉट यू आर नॉट
नहीं
एबल टू
करते.
मेक अ डिफरेंस प्रैक्टिकली. जस्ट I mean, I would love to have two tips from you what to do with these people. Number one,
Drop them, pick new people. That's all.
bring new people. Competent को जाने दो, मतलब बहुत कॉम्पिटेंट
जो
है. यू कैन से
सर आप एक है कि आपके आगे दीवार है और कांच है. कांच का दरवाजा आप हटा सकते हो, दीवार के आगे जाके बार बार बैंग करने से आपके सर पे ही लगेगा.
लेकिन दूसरा, फिर मैं वो दूसरा सिचुएशन दे रहा हूँ
ढूंढना
आपको.
पड़ता है.
दूसरा
मेरे भी
सिचुएशन,
लोग जाते हैं, मेरे भी लोग आते हैं, हम भी लोग ढूंढते हैं, फिर वापस स्किल करते हैं. लेकिन लोगों का ऐसा है कि लोग जब समझते हैं कि हमने सीख लिया है, either you have to know how to keep the people, that is you have to keep on skilling and you have to bring them something new. अगर आप लोगों को जोड़ के रखना चाहते हो ना, उनको हर हर रोज वो एक ही किस्म के चीजें नहीं ले सकते. यू हैव टू ब्रिंग देम समथिंग न्यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आज आपने रैना मैम बुलाया, कल सुदेश सर बुलाया, वापस रैना मैम बुलाया, ऐसे होता है. अगर आप रोज रैना मैम बुलाते हो, अगर रैना मैम अच्छा कंटेंट नहीं लेके आएगी तो रैना मैम को भी कोई पसंद नहीं करेगा. शी विल बी रिप्लेस्ड. दैट इज माई आंसर टू यू. Because today our technology is moving very fast. AI is available since 2 years, लेकिन अभी जेमिनी आ गया, उसके आगे रोबोटिक आ जाएगा, उसके आगे कुछ और आ जाएगा. हर एक रोज ना कुछ कुछ चेंज होता रहता है. We also get outdated. That is the word.
एग्री. नाउ सी, नाउ ओके, चलिए आपने ये तो बोल दिया. मैं मतलब आई एम डिस्कसिंग सम रियल serious issues, which
Serious है
face on
सर,
a
मैं भी
day-to-day
बहुत परेशान
basis.
हूँ. Don't worry.
And दूसरी बात ये है कि then there are people, who are, you can say, committed people. competence नहीं है और सीखना भी नहीं चाहते, लेकिन committed हैं, आप समझे ना.
Correct.
और बोलेंगे मुझे ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत है, ईगो हर्ट हो जाती है कि मुझे ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत है. मतलब वो दूसरी तरह के लोग हैं. They
Correct.
don't want to really become competent, but they are committed to the organization. उसका क्या करें practically?
उनको आप नर्चर करते रहो. That will be good. Sometimes no, what happens is we think that people who are not people who are less credible or less knowledge, we can't spend time to teach them. Now, this is a different topic of how do you choose people, because this is also by experience. There is a certain criteria that you have to make when you are bringing people in your organization, and that goes with your personality. तो पहले तो आपका पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट होगा, फिर आपके पर्सनालिटी और आपके विजन को लेके, आपके मिशन को लेके हम एक बनाते हैं कि जो भी लोग आपके साथ जुड़ेंगे, छोटा हो या बड़ा, आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस उन लोगों के साथ क्या है, व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ पीपल यू नीड. दिस इज व्हाट अ कोच हेल्प्स यू टू डू, वेयर दे ब्रिंग इन द राइट काइंड ऑफ ऑडियंस. जब आप नेक्स्ट टाइम किसी को हायर करते हो ना, इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग मे बी दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट, पॉसिबिलिटी ये है कि वो ज्यादा टाइम आपके साथ रुकेंगे रादर देन पर्सन हु इज लीविंग मे बी इन 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, or maybe 1 year also. They might spend with you 5 years. I am hoping that and praying that. बट अगेन लाइक आई सेड, आई कैन नॉट गिव यू वन फिट फॉर ऑल, बिकॉज ऐसे नहीं है कि एक सुवर्णा जी है तो सुवर्णा जी आपके साथ 5 साल ही रहेंगे, और इतिकला मैम है जो इतिकला मैम 3 साल ही रहेंगे। पॉसिबिलिटी है कि उनकी शादी हो जाए, या उनको बाहर जाना हो, या उनको पढ़ना पड़े, या उनको कुछ और रीजन से, सोशल फैक्टर्स की वजह से कुछ और चेंजेस हो, या उनके फैमिलीज का चेंज हो रहे हैं, तो दे विल लीव मुंबई एंड गो समवेयर एल्स. So we have lot of factors, political, social, economical, personal, professional, that affect us. Now you cannot hold on and say क्यों हो गया मैम, अब क्यों हो गया तो हमको समझना है, क्योंकि एक बार ऐसे भी हुआ था कि I had a difficulty at personal end. At the same time, I had my CA, my partner, and one more person leave. I can keep on crying that, at this problem time, I had all of them leave. But if I have to move on, I have to look at what are the solutions and what is the right way of approach of, even if I'm doing individually, in what period of time am I ready to get back the next person. A good leader is one who lets go. आप ये चीज इंडिया में नहीं, आप बाहर भी देख लीजिए. गूगल के लीडर हो, एप्पल के लीडर हो, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के लीडर्स हो, डू यू फाइंड वन लीडर even possibly there in the last 5-6 years? There are people who have changed, there are people who have taken over, there are people who have very good young लोग आ गए हैं, पुराने लोग चले गए हैं. पॉलिटिक्स में भी ऐसा ही है. द ओनली डिफरेंस इन पॉलिटिक्स इज वी हैव अ रूल दैट 5 years के बाद ही लीडर को चेंज करना है, राइट? सो दिस इज एवरीवेयर, whether you take it in our companies or you take it in a trust or you take it in a politics or you take it in any level, इंडिया हो या अब्रॉड हो, सेम चीज होती है. लेकिन सिस्टम बना के रखना इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि हमको पता है कि सिस्टम होना है तो कोई उसको अबाइड नहीं करेगा. यू विल नॉट ओवरराइड दैट एंड गो समवेयर एल्स, यू विल फॉलो इट. But there is no answer more to it better,
Yeah, I
because
agree. No, we are just discussing the very basics. कि today, if I have to take some action against such people, into positive action
action
only,
कुछ
I'm
नहीं
not
ले
talking
सकते
of
इसमें.
negative actions here. Because you have these very two distinct categories: high commitment, low competence. Low, high competence, low commitment. So and बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, एंड स्पेशली इन इंडिया, जहाँ पिंक स्लिप का और फायरिंग का सिस्टम तो आपको पता है यहाँ पे जनरली. वो ठीक है, इफ देर इज अ लिमिटेड कंपनी विद स्टॉक
Correct.
मार्केट लिस्टिंग एंड ऑल दैट, वो तो कर देते हैं फटाफट, बट द अदर कंपनीज डोंट डू इट. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू टेल यू दैट इवन ICS इज अ unit which last 20 years you are finding the same people. And it's a good system in India because ये अच्छा काम करता है इंडिया में, this system, unlike the. But tell me one thing which motivates the generation of today other than money. क्या मतलब आपका क्या है मतलब? We are just discussing experiences here, nothing beyond that. कि क्या चीज मोटिवेट करती है आज के दिन इनको? It's a girlfriend, boyfriend or something else, मतलब.
I have seen most people stick around an organization because of the leader, not because of anything else. Okay, it's not money. मनी तो एक बाई प्रोडक्ट है, क्योंकि घर चलाना है. लेकिन अगर आप उनको 50,000, 20 से 50,000 भी दे दो, और आप एक नेगेटिव लीडर हो, एक टॉक्सिक एनवायरनमेंट है, बार बार चिल्ला रहे हो, बार बार चीख रहे हो, बार बार एक्सपेक्टेशंस आई है, बोलने का तरीका गलत है, people don't want to stick around. It is only a good culture, a good leader, and a very creative person. A person who's always ready to include voices, person who's ready to listen, person who's ready to understand, person who's ready to not say yes, yes all the time, but give a proper answer. कि अगर मैं ना बोल रहा हूं, उसका एक रीजन है. जोड़ के रखना एक कला है, और उसमें सिर्फ एक लीडरशिप की ही क्वालिटी है. लीडर, कल्चर, पीपल, सिस्टम, सही लोग, पॉजिटिव लोग. एक भी गंदी मछली पूरे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. सेम वे, आपके लोग आपके लिए क्या बोल रहे हैं और आप लोगों के लिए क्या बोल रहे हैं, आपके लोग आपके लिए क्या बोल रहे हैं, आपका एनवायरनमेंट कैसे बना हुआ है, कैसे सिस्टम्स प्रोसेसेस बनी हुई है. अगर एक लीडर बैठा हुआ है और लीडर बोल रहा है ऐसे ही करो, क्या वो कर रहा है? इज ही फॉलोइंग दोज थिंग्स? सो वॉकिंग द टॉक, इट ऑल मैटर्स एंड बॉइल्स डाउन टू द लीडर. अगर लीडर गलत करेगा, पूरा दुनिया ही गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक है. एंड एट द डे, अगर एक लीडर एक एग्जाम्पल भी सेट कर रहा है कि मेरा पार्टनर भाग गया, मेरा लीडर भाग गया, मेरा CA भाग गया, मेरा फाइनेंस वाला भाग गया, मेरा टीम वाला भाग गया, मेरा ये भाग गया, वो भाग गया, फिर भी वो डट के रहा ना, भाग तो नहीं गया। दुनिया इधर की उधर हो गई, लेकिन लीडर बैठा है ना कि मैं अभी तक कंपनी रन कर रहा हूं, दम है ना, उतना काफी है। The importance is that you are passionate about your baby. The importance is you are doing what is right in the right way, ethically with the system. There will be a time when the whole world will believe that you have stuck around. Okay, but the leader is the most important foundation. I feel that. I'm not sure if I'm right because मैं आपसे बहुत छोटी हूँ, एक्सपीरियंस भी कम है, लेकिन
No,
मेरे
but
मेरे
man,
हिसाब
I mean,
से,
it's not about
मेरे
experience. It is
एक्सपीरियंस से
about
मुझे यही लगता है।
it is about exposure. It's not about experience. Maybe you are exposed to more of this younger generation and all. That's why.
Yeah,
That's the reason we are discussing. Otherwise,
absolutely, Sudesh
there
sir.
are certain things of human dynamics, which
We
don't have
cannot fight human
mathematical. There is no
dynamics. We cannot
mathematical
find human
solution.
nature.
There
And
is
human
no.
nature will keep evolving. ऐसे नहीं है कि आप आज मेरे को देख रहे हो मैं ऐसी हूं तो मैं ऐसी ही हूं, जरूरी नहीं है। हर कॉन्टेक्स्ट और कंटेंट, हर सिचुएशन में आदमी डिफरेंट होता है। और आपको ये भी समझना है कि अगर उस इंसान ने वैसे बिहेव किया, उसके भी एक रीजन होंगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर वैभव जी ने मुझे सडनली कोई टाइम पे फोन किया है जहाँ पे मैं कोई मीटिंग में हूँ, या किसी की मौत हो गई है, तो पीपल विल रिस्पॉन्ड वेरी डिफरेंटली, एंड इट इज ऑब्वियस। ठीक है, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ, मे बी उनके इश्यूज होंगे, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे, कोई कोई लोग ऐसे गुस्से में बोल देंगे, लेकिन हम एक दूसरे से गुस्सा नहीं हो सकते ना, क्योंकि सबकी सिचुएशन ही अलग है। उन्होंने अपना रोल प्ले किया है, हमने अपना रोल प्ले किया है। It is always a context. So I always say, if anybody is upset with you or you're upset with anybody, it is a situation. उसको वहीं पे छोड़ दीजिए और आगे बढ़ जाइए। उस पे ज्यादा कॉन्टेम्पलेट करने से ना, मैंने ये भी देखा है कुछ कुछ लोग गुस्सा होके 80 साल तक पकड़ के रखे हैं कि मेरे भाई ने, मेरे चाचा ने, मेरे ऐसे ने किया, वैसे ने किया। भाई, ना वो तुम्हारे सामने, ना तुम उसके सामने, ना तुम्हारा बॉस 50 साल पहले तुम उसके साथ काम करते थे, अभी भी पकड़ के रखा है कि तुमने उसके साथ क्या किया, आप उसने आपके साथ क्या किया। डजंट हेल्प एनीबडी, बट इट सॉल्व्स, इट ओनली क्रिएट्स प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू एंड योर सिस्टम। इट डजंट अलाउ यू टू ग्रो। ओके, सो विद दिस
I
आई
have
थिंक
I
आई
have
टेल
one
यू।
final question.
बोलिए सुंदर सर।
I think Sudesh Sharma can also reply. Now, the leader can change the behavior of their people surrounding them.
यस,
Yes or no?
यस, कंप्लीटली, बट यू हैव टू
And
हैव पेशेंस।
okay, is Sudesh Sharma agrees,
100%, देयर
Professor
इज
sir?
नो डाउट इन दैट।
Leader का तो सब मतलब I will agree with you that because इनका टेक अलग होगा, she is dealing with a different kind of people in her organization. वह अगर एक लीडर ने एक का भी चेंज कर दिया ना with 5 years effort, I mean I think that's will be this leader will be a very unique leader. इतना मतलब ये चीज इतनी ज्यादा डीएनए में इनग्रेन हो जाती है ना, द काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर्स।
पहले तो सर एक चीज होनी चाहिए जो इंडिया में है ही नहीं, जो मेरी बहुत चाहत है, कि गुड लीडर्स शुड कीप इन कनेक्ट विद गुड लीडर्स। आपने कहीं पे देखा है कि लीडर्स एक फोरम बना के बैठे हैं कि भाई मेरे कंपनी में ये प्रॉब्लम है, आपके कंपनी में है, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम इन माय कंपनी, आई एम हैविंग इश्यूज विद दिस, कैन यू प्रोवाइड अ सोल्यूशन? आई वांट लीडर्स टू क्रिएट सच forums. If you are all manufacturers, if you are all pharma, if you are all leaders, and don't always sit only with those people, because एक और मिथ है कि सारे मैन्युफैक्चरर्स एक ही साथ बैठेंगे, सारे फार्मा वाले एक ही साथ बैठेंगे, सारे सीएस एक ही साथ बैठेंगे, सारे ट्रेनर्स वाले एक ही साथ बैठेंगे, तो हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स तो सेम ही है, लेकिन सोल्यूशन कोई और भी दे सकता है ना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आईसीएस इज अ सर्टिफाइंग बॉडी, I may or may not be a certifying body, but I might have a solution for you, but we need to be together in the forum. अब या तो ये forums बनते ही नहीं है, या तो ये forums free नहीं होते हैं, या तो forums के बारे में किसी को पता नहीं होता है। And there should be forums where people come and talk and find solutions unconditionally. Then only we can work on solutions. इंडिया ने खासकर ऐसे कोई फोरम बनाए नहीं है, ना कोई कंपनी ने, या वो इंटरनलाइज होता है जो अपने कंपनी के अंदर ही होता है। अपने कंपनी में ही अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए रेडी हो, हमने ऐसे फोरम भी बना के नहीं रखे हैं जो आदमी उठ के बोले भाई ऐसे करो, या लीडर्स आर नॉट ओपन टू लिसनिंग। तो अगर आपका आंसर है एम आई रेडी टू चेंज पीपल, you can change people only when you change, and you can change only one thing, is that is your behavior. Why does a person feel you are kusat? Because you react or you feel or you do something that they feel, not because you are kusat, and you're not always kusat, correct? हम हमेशा एक ही जैसे नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन अगर लोग, मेरे को एक बार किसी स्कूल वाली मम्मी ने बोला था, अरे आप तो बहुत प्यारे हो, जब बात हुई, लेकिन मैं तो हमेशा सोचती थी आप बहुत सीरियस हो। एक तो आप सीरियस फील्ड में काम करते हो, ऊपर से आप बहुत एजुकेटेड हो, ऊपर से आप बात कम करते हो, ऊपर से हमने कभी इंटरेक्ट नहीं किया था, तो मुझे तो लगा आप बहुत सीरियस मम्मी हो। आपका चेहरा हमेशा देखती हूँ ना, आई फील यू आर अ वेरी प्रोफेशनल सीरियस पर्सन। मैंने बोला ऐसे क्यों आपको लगता है? हमने तो कभी बात ही नहीं की थी, हम पहली बार मिल रहे हैं। तो बोला तब भी तो मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आप बहुत स्वीट हो, मतलब यू आर सो अप्रोचेबल, सो रीचेबल, सो नाइस, आई कैन ऑलवेज कॉन्वर्स विद यू, मुझे कुछ इशू होगा तो मैं आपसे बात करूंगी। लेकिन मुझे ऐसे लगा, अब ये क्यों लगा? दैट इज अ पर्सपेक्टिव, दैट इज द वे आई अप्रोच्ड, और मे बी द माई फेस projects that. So maybe I should be more welcoming, I should be more smiling. When I am in a social audience, I must be approachable. For me to be approachable, either I speak or I smile or my body language should say like that. जरूरी नहीं है कि हमने कुछ गलत किया है, लेकिन एक लीडर को अगर अपने स्किल्स अप्रोच करने हैं तो हमें अप्रोचेबल रहना है ना. वी कांट एक्सपेक्ट पीपल टू कम टू अस.
Yeah, I
So
agree.
those
No,
are
that's
little
agreed,
things.
agreed. And I think this point of yours is the most valuable point. This gives us an idea. I mean, I'll request Kataria sir to, in one of the webinars, we should invite, we met some very good people recently, Dr. Bardwaj and also.
Yeah,
उनको
yeah,
लेके let us have some case studies where
yeah,
these
absolutely,
kind of people were there and they were able to manage. Let us see their views also. It
absolutely.
will
You
be a
must
very
get
good
them in.
topic for. No, anyway,
We all learn from each
आपने ये
other.
जो कहा ना कि कोई नहीं करता है, बट लेट मी टेल यू, इस वेबिनार में डिस्कशन बहुत हो रहे हैं 200 फॉर द लास्ट 2 years, एंड दिस इज समथिंग वेरी वेरी लॉडेबल. ये जो सतगुण संघ आप जहाँ पे आज प्रेजेंट कर रही हैं, लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशंस हैपन एंड वी कैंडिडली आस्क स्पीकर्स कि आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है इस, आई मीन दीज काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशंस में. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट द स्पीकर शुड हैव experience or exposure to that situation, but what would you do if faced with this situation. तो तो ये तो एक वो है. और आपने ये जो मतलब इंडिया की सिचुएशन बताई, दिस इज वेरी वेरी कॉमन, नॉट ओनली इन वन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, अक्रॉस ऑल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. और आज के दिन लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन फ्रॉम आवर एक्सपोजर. देयर इज ओनली वन वे ऑफ मोटिवेटिंग पीपल, सुधर जाओ नहीं तो ये निकल जाओ. अभी जो इंडस्ट्री का ट्रेंड चल रहा है ना, यू
Yeah,
आस्क एनी
that's because
यंगस्टर टुडे,
we don't
आस्क
have
एनी
that much of
यंगस्टर
time
आस्क
or
एनी यंगस्टर,
patience.
इट इज माय
Hmm.
वे और द हाईवे. अदरवाइज अभी तो ये मतलब अच्छे अच्छे एमबीए आईआईएम के ग्रेजुएट्स के साथ भी ऐसा ही हो रहा है इंडस्ट्री में कि ऐसा नहीं किया तो प्लीज डोंट कम फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट वीक. अभी एक ही स्ट्रैटेजी बहुत कॉमन. आई मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, माय ब्रदर सन वर्क्स इन टीसीएस, द अदर सन वर्क्स इन इन्फोसिस. उनको हमने एक वीकेंड पे बोला आज रुक जाओ, बोलते नहीं नहीं, मैं आज रुक गया तो मेरा भरोसा नहीं है मंडे को मुझे रखेंगे कि नहीं रखेंगे. सो आई मीन दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ मोटिवेशन गोइंग ऑन टुडे इन इंडियन इंडस्ट्री जनरली. जनरली मतलब आप
Yeah,
भी
yeah,
शायद देख रही होंगी ये सिचुएशन. और
absolutely.
आज का
कहीं
ये
पे वही है सर,
यही
nothing
सिचुएशन है.
different.
तो हम वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू वर्क आउट कि कहाँ यार और क्या हो सकता है इसके अलावा. इट्स अ वेरी टफ सिचुएशन. Anyway, I mean, I think we have had enough discussion, and thank you so much for all your responses and inputs.
No, no, welcome. Always welcome, sir. And I'm privileged that sir keeps calling, and I can add some value to people's life. So thank you so much. Any more questions? I see Dipali ji, Admin ji, Suvarna, Ajay, anybody, please ping on the WhatsApp. Maybe I'll take your question and reply back. Surely. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Sundar Kataria, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. So I think there is no more questions. So can we move ahead, ma'am? ICS is pleased to provide you all its research and development, integrated management system, that is QMS, CMS, and OHSS, excellence in education management, ISO made easy in Gujarati, Marathi, Telugu, and Hindi. For reading any of the above book, please contact Ms. Sushma Kindelkar on the given contact details. Feedback form, please register on www.sadgunsung.org and go in your login and give your valued feedback to us. So thank you, Rena ma'am. Thank you all the participants and delegates for the being of part of Sadgun Sung. Now it's time to officially close the session. Thank you, everyone.